Now question number 7, okay, from extra material. Now first we need to read the question properly and then understand it. Now taking the number of letters in various words of the following paragraph as variable, prepare a frequency distribution. Prepare a frequency distribution. Now, be careful while you read it. Taking number of letters in various words as variable. Now, what is variable? Variable is that characteristics which keep on varying, यानी वो बदलता रहता है from unit to unit. Now, यहाँ पे number of letters in various words is to be considered as a variable. So यहाँ पे तुम्हारा variable क्या है? Your variable is number of letters in words. This is your variable, number of letters in words. ऐसा दिया ही है कि number of letters in words are your variable. Now, why we call it variable? Because यहाँ पे ध्यान दो please. Here, the first word is the, T-H-E, the. उसमें कितने letters है वो हमारा variable है. तो यहाँ पे you can see कि 3 letter है तो वो हमारा variable है. Central 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. तो यहाँ पे here we have 7 letters. So that is our variable. Then function. Now, first of all, let's find out which is the word which has minimum number of letters. ऐसा कौन सा word है जहाँ पे कम से कम letter है? Of is to, yes, can you tell me?
Sir, A as a body.
As a body. So this A, single letter. So ये सबसे कम. Okay, what is the maximum? कौन सा ऐसा word है where maximum number of letters है?
Sir, uncertainty.
1, 2,
11 letters.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So
11.
this is the maximum, and this A is a single letter, so that is 1, and uncertainty 11 letters. So now we have number of letters in words which can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Now, tally marks. And then number of words. यानी here what we have to find out, ध्यान दो please students, here we have to find out कि how many words with single letter, how many words with 2 letters, how many words with 3 letters. जैसे 2 letter वाले कौन से? Of, is, to, okay. फिर है वापस यहाँ पे us, to, in. तो 2 लेटर वाले कितने वर्ड है, 3 लेटर वाले कितने वर्ड है? कुछ स्टूडेंट ने क्या किया, दे wrote A B C D E F G till Z. No. Your variable is not alphabets. Variable is number of letters in various words. All of you understood this? अब सबको पता चल गया? किसी को कोई डाउट? Now, Now ध्यान दो. How to start this sum? Now, number of letters in words is our variable. So this is x, tally marks, and then we have number of words. That is our frequency. Now we go one by one. One method is कि तुम सब काउंट करके लिख लो और फिर एक साथ टैली मार्क करो, और you go one by one and put tally marks and count. So let's go one by one. So let's start with this. First one is the. So 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Central. So again 7 have a tally mark. Cancel it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Function. So 8. OF. So 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Statistics. So 10 is, so 2. 2. So 2. 2. Okay, 2. Develop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cancel 7. Then principles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Principles. 10. And 1, 2, 3. Methods. MET 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That THAT 4. Will, WILL 4. Help 4. Us 2. Again 2. Make 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Decision 9. Then in 2. The 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Face. Then off 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Uncertainty. So for FOR 3. This 4. Reason 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Many 4. Author 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Define DEFINE. So 6. Statistics 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As, so 2. A, so 1. Body, so 4. Of, so 2. Methods 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For 3. Making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wise 4. Decision 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2. The 3. Phase 4. Of 2. And uncertainty 11. So this is how you have to do this. Okay. So please be careful while you read the question. Now number of words 1, find 5, 10 and 1, 11. In 4, there will be only 9, but I'm getting, in 4, I'm getting 10. Okay, let's check.
Sir,
And
I am also getting 10.
okay, let me check. And in 3, there is 7. Okay, let me check. Oh, this is uh, 9, 1, 6, then 10, then 0, then 3, then 5, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 2. Now let's check the totals. 44. Are you getting 44? All of you?
Yes, sir.
So this is total volts. Also total frequency. That is 44. Now, number of letters in the word, it is our variable, so denoted by x, and number of words, that is frequency, that is denoted by f. Okay. The title, the title, write the title, this is important. Discrete frequency distribution showing number of letters in various words. Continuous frequency distribution. Now, let's understand continuous frequency distribution. Now, for data which are continuous in nature, okay, or it can assume any number between point A to point B, we call it a continuous variable. जैसे कि age is a continuous variable. Okay, minimum से maximum के बीच में कोई भी age, with every passing time age is changing for every one of us. We have different age. At the same time, temperature, it can also assume any number. At the same time, whenever data is large, okay, say I take a 100-mark test. So minimum a student score was 0 and maximum, okay, let me write 100 marks test. Okay. Now, minimum a student score was 0. 0 है. नाम रोशन किया परिवार का कि कोई 0 लेके आया, वाह वाह, 0 0 यानी कुछ भी करेक्ट नहीं. ओके. और मैक्सिमम 100, ये भी जोरदार, ये भी परिवार का नाम रोशन किया. सो यहाँ पे मिनिमम है 0, मैक्सिमम है 100. तो अगर देर आर, से फॉर एग्जाम्पल, देर आर say 50 students giving a test, okay, and various students are getting various marks. So here I cannot go for discrete, because what will happen is my x will be 0, 1, 2, 3, goes up to 100, and then frequency, which will be number of students. Here it will be tally marks. So what happens is, रॉ डेटा तो था मेरे पास, ये रॉ डेटा में बहुत सारे नंबर्स लिखे हुए थे. When I converted them into discrete data, again it was such a lengthy data. For example, those students who had done the previous sum as taking x as a b c d e f, you can see 2 pages तक उनका sum चला गया. तो you may say कि सर ये raw data से, from raw data we converted it into a group data, but this group data over here may not be useful because it is such a big data, so it becomes like raw data only. We are not able to make out anything. So what we should ideally do is, what we can ideally do is, instead of going for discrete, we go for continuous. So in continuous, what we will do, say we will take class. Now, what is a class? In class, there is a minimum and there is a maximum. So we take the class like say 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. It goes up to 90 to 100. And then we take tally marks, and then we have frequency, and now we have a data that 0 to 10 लाने वाले इतने students, 10 to 20 लाने वाले इतने student. So one is we go for classes like this, or we can also go for classes like this which are not of, which are irregular. जैसे कि ये देखो, here it is regular, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, or you can say 0 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 100. So you can go for class like this also. So here it is irregular. Pehla is 0 to 40, then 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 100, 60 to 70, 70 to 100. तो अलग अलग टाइप के हम क्लासेस बना सकते हैं. ये है इरेगुलर, ये है रेगुलर, बिकॉज क्लास का जो डिफरेंस है हर एक में, दैट रिमेन्स द सेम. So that is why, from this, instead of going from raw to discrete, we now go from raw to continuous. So let's understand this concept. Meanwhile, if you want to scribble out this thing, I'll keep it on the screen for a minute. Uh, See, over here it was marks. Okay, just for your understanding, I've given this example. Now, say for example, we have a company where we want to analyze the data of income of the employees over there. And there are, let's say, 2,000 employees ranging from a salary of minimum 8,000 rupees going up to 8 lakh rupees a month. So in that case, we can't go for discrete. Okay, 8,000, 8,001, 8,002, 8,003, up to 8 lakh. So तो अनग्रुप डेटा है, उसको ग्रुप किया, डिस्क्रीट में कन्वर्ट किया, तो और भी वो फिर भी रॉ का रॉ ही रहा, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट एबल टू एनालाइज एनीथिंग. सो व्हाट वी डू इज वी गो फॉर कंटिन्यूअस. नाउ ध्यान देना प्लीज ओवर हियर. In continuous, there are two types of frequency distribution. most widely used is exclusive, and the other one is inclusive. Now, let's understand what is exclusive and what is inclusive. Say a class like this, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. This type of class is exclusive. Why? I will come to it. If it is inclusive, classes will be 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49. Now, what is the difference between both of them? Dhyan dena please. Over here, you have 0 to 10. Here again you have 10 to 20. So if you have a data, say you have 5, 8, 10, 15, 28, 30, 33, 26, 40. Now, if you have a data like this, 5, tally mark over here, 8, tally mark over here, okay? But what about this 10? तो उसको कहाँ टैली मार्क करोगे? फर्स्ट क्लास में या सेकेंड क्लास में?
सेकेंड क्लास.
सेकेंड क्लास. तो यहां पे ध्यान दो, यर वी ध्यान दो, ध्यान दो, यर वी एक्सक्लूड दिस 10, ओके, एंड 10 अगर आता है डेटा में तो वी पुट अ टैली मार्क ओवर यर. दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज नोन एज एक्सक्लूसिव. उसमें हमने ये 10 को एक्सक्लूड कर दिया, फिर ये 20 को हमने एक्सक्लूड कर दिया, देन ये 30 को हमने एक्सक्लूड कर दिया, फिर ये 40 को एक्सक्लूड कर दिया, 50 को एक्सक्लूड कर दिया. टेल मी स्टूडेंट्स, ये 30 हम कहाँ पे टेलीमार्क करेंगे? ये 30 को 3 में या 4 में? दोनों जगह 30. कहाँ पे?
4 में.
4.
सबको पता चला ये? सबको पता चला ये? तो इसको हम कहते हैं एक्सक्लूसिव, यानी वी हैव एक्सक्लूडेड. ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड दिस? नाउ ध्यान दो प्लीज. इंक्लूसिव क्या है? इन इंक्लूसिव 0 to 9, so you have to take 0 also, you have to take 0 also over here and 9 also over here, 10 also over here, 19 also over here, 20 also over here, 29 also over here. So that is why it is known as inclusive, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हम 0 भी इंक्लूड करते हैं और 9 भी इंक्लूड करते हैं. यहाँ पे हम 0 9 दोनों इंक्लूड करते हैं, पर ये जो 10 लिखा है उसको हम करते हैं एक्सक्लूड. दैट इज वाई इसको हम कहते हैं एक्सक्लूसिव. Is this concept of exclusive, inclusive clear? All of you understood inclusive and exclusive? Now, ध्यान दो. Now, this one, 20 to 30 है. So this 20 is known as lower limit, and this 30 is known as upper limit. So if a class is given like this, say 10 to 20. So 10 is lower limit, LL is lower limit, and 20 is UL, that is upper limit. If you are given a class like this, so 10 is the lower limit and 19 is the upper limit. Now, now, number of classes. Okay, काम करो, ये लिख लो, then we go to the next page for number of classes. Let's understand few important points. Okay, first point, total number of classes. So normally when you have a data with you, जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि minimum salary is 8,000 and maximum salary is 8 lakh per month. तो कितने classes बनाएंगे हम? So here generally, okay, it is a general thing. Can normally number of classes which are denoted by K, number of classes which are denoted by K should be minimum 6 and maximum 15. ऐसा कोई रूल नहीं है कि मिनिमम 6 ही होना चाहिए या मैक्सिमम 15 ही होना चाहिए. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द टाइप ऑफ डेटा, बट दिस इज अ जनरल सिचुएशन कि जनरली मिनिमम 6 क्लास होने चाहिए, जैसे कि 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, या फिर मैक्सिमम ओनली 15. दिस इज जनरल. 5 क्लास भी हो सकते हैं नंबर ऑफ क्लासेस, और 15 से ज्यादा भी हो सकते हैं, बट दिस इज अ जनरल थिंग. ओके, देन फर्स्ट, सेकंड, range. What is a range? Okay, range is denoted by R. So range R is equal to maximum value of observation minus minimum value of observation. Say for example, you have a data, okay, where minimum value is 8 and maximum value is 88. So your range is 80. 88 minus 8. Okay, that is known as range R. So denoted by R. Okay. Then third, ध्यान देना, third, class length. Now, class length is very interesting and important also. So, ध्यान देना class length में please, which is denoted by C. Now, class length कैसे find करना है? When we have range, when we have number of classes, so class length C is equal to range upon number of classes. Range upon number of classes. Range upon number of classes. We'll see all these things in sums, okay? Now, class length पे मैं थोड़ा expand करना चाहूँगा discussion अपना. So please pay attention. What exactly is class length? See, a class is given like this. Zero to 10, 10 to 20. Can you tell me the class length? क्लास लेंथ यानी क्या यहां पे? क्लास लेंथ इज यहां पे this,
Sir, 10.
yes, 10 10 upper limit minus lower limit is basically your class ka length, which comes to 10. Very good. आई थिंक सबको ये कंसेप्ट पता चल गया है कि ये 10 कैसे आया. 0 to 10 पता चला सबको? ओके. अब ध्यान देना. ओके. नाउ आई टेक अनदर एग्जांपल. क्लास 0 to 9, 10 to 19. यहां पे व्हाट इज क्लास लेंथ?
9.
Now, many of you have replied 9 as the answer. Ki, sir, class length is 9 over here. Now, 9 is the wrong answer. Now, let's understand the concept over here. Please, dhyan dena, because class length, this class length C over here is a very important number when you find mean, median, mode. Okay, so just pay attention over here. When I went for this type of frequency distribution, it is exclusive frequency distribution. So 0 to 10 means how many numbers I will telemark over here. So I'll telemark 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Will I telemark 10 over here? Yes or no? Will I telemark 10 over here?
No.
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 Here, what is the class length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got 10. That's correct. Now over here, this is inclusive. So if this is inclusive, then 0 को include करना है. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. तो कितने नंबर्स हैं यहां पे? ये 9 है या 10? ये 9 है या 10?
10.
10 है. So your class length is 10. Now, there is a concept of lower boundary point and upper boundary point which we have to use in case of inclusive. I will cover that later. But now, can you see कि दोनों में class length is 10? It's only a presentation mode is different. Here it is exclusive and here it is inclusive. All of you understood now what is class length? All of you, any doubt? Okay, now let's go to a sum. We go to exercise 2.1, question number 2. So, page number 36. Exercise 2.1, question number 2. Now, the ages in full years it is given of 60 employees. Full years का मतलब क्या है कि if I ask you what's your age, so you will say your age is 17. It means your 17 years are completed, 18th is running. So that is why it is given in full years. Okay, of 60 employees working in an office are registered as follows. Prepare of 60 employees, okay? Prepare a frequency distribution by taking class length as 5 from this information. So class length, we have to take 5. Now, over here, First, you find out which is the minimum observation. सबसे मिनिमम ऑब्जर्वेशन कौन सा है वो फाइंड आउट करो. कैन यू टेल मी विच इज द मिनिमम ऑब्जर्वेशन?
25.
21.
Sir, 21.
21 is the minimum observation. So let me find out where exactly is 21.
Sir,
Yeah.
it's in last.
Okay. 21 is minimum. What is the maximum observation?
58.
58. So if I go over here and write range, what is range? Maximum minus minimum, which is equal to 58 minus 21, which is equal
37.
to 37. What is the class length? Which is already given in the question 5. So if I ask you the question, what are the number of classes? Number of classes, K is equal to range upon class length, which is equal to 37 upon 5, which is equal to 5 sevens are 35, 7.4. So 7.4, so we take it as 8 class. Please do this working also.
Okay.
So 8 class. Now, any doubt in this?
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Okay. Now, once again, I'll repeat this because of the network issue. Okay. Range is maximum minus minimum. So maximum is 58, minimum is 21. So range is 37. यानी पूरा जो range है, okay, minimum और maximum का वो है 37. उसके बाद class length given in the question as you have to take it as 5. So 5. Number of classes kitna? So range divided by class length, which is 37 divided by 5. You can do it on the calculator. 7.4. So 7.4 हम नहीं ले सकते. So we round off to the next class, that is 8. So number of classes will be 8. Now the question comes that, sir, which will be our first class? Which will be our first class? So ध्यान दो यहाँ पे minimum जो है वो आना चाहिए हमारे टैली मार्क में, so that is 20. Now,
Sir, your
voice is cracking. Okay.
yes, sir.
Is my voice clear now? Hello. Classes. Now, how we have to make the classes? Which will be the first class is very important. So please pay attention. पहला class यहाँ पे कौन सा है वो बहुत important है. Now, minimum is 21 and we want a class length we want a class length 5. So first class, okay, for variable age, we take as 20 to 25. 20 to 25. We will go for right now exclusive frequency distribution only. Second class, we will take 25 to 30. Third, 30 to 35. Fourth, 35 to 40. फिर 40 to 45, then 45 to 50. हमें कहां तक जाना है? We want 58, so we have to go till we get 58. Where 58 will come in what class? We have to go till there. So 50 to 55, and then 55 to 60. Let's count the number of classes: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this will be our classes. We are going for exclusive frequency distribution. So we write the heading exclusive frequency exclusive frequency distribution showing age of 60 employees. Write the heading. Now, age, we take age variable. Here we make classes. Then we have tally mark, and number of employees is basically our frequency. Now let's start this one by one. 32. First one 32. So 30 to 35 tally mark. Then you can go horizontal, you can go vertical as you are comfortable. Okay, 42, 40 to 45, 48, 45 to 50, 35. Now 35, कहाँ पे आएगा 35? 30 to 35 या 35 to 40?
35.
35 to 40. Then 23. Then 58. Then 52. So 50 to 55, 52. Then 38. 35 to 40. Then 36. Then 44. 40 to 45. Then 48. 45 to 50. Then 39. 35 to 40. Then 24. 20 to 25. 27. 25 to 30. 29. 25 to 30. 32. 30 to 35. 34. 30 to 35. 41. 40 to 45. 45. 45 to 50. 45 will be 45 to 50. 51. 50 to 55. 30. 30 to 35. 47. 45 to 50. 45. 45 to 50. 44. 40 to 45. 52. 50 to 55. 38. 35 to 40. 41. 40 to 45. 31. 30 to 35. 25. 25 to 30. 38. 35 to 40. 36. 35 to 40. 34. 30 to 34. 37. 35 to 40. 51. 50 to 55. 25. 25 to 30. 56. 55 to 60. 32. 30 to 35. 39, 35 to 40, 32, 30 to 35, 35, 35 to 40, 42, 40 to 45, 26, 25 to 30, 46, 45 to 50, 42, 40 to 45, 57, 55 to 60, 28, 25 to 30, 43, 40 to 45, 33, 30 to 35, 31, 30 to 35, 42, 40 to 45, 43, 40 to 45, 53, 50 to 55, 43, 40 to 45, 39, 35 to 40, 27, 25 to 30, 54, 50 to 55, 21, 20 to 25, 47, 45 to 50, 26, 25 to 30, and 40, 40 to 45. Now, let's count. Three, 8, 10, 11, 12, 7, 6, 3, total employees 60. Instead of exclusive, if we would have gone for inclusive, then what classes we would have made? We would have made 20 to 24. Then we would have made 25 to 29. Then we would have made 30 to 34. Then we would have made 35 to 39. Then 40 to 44. 45 to 49, 50 to 54, and 55 to 59. Now, even if we would have made this inclusive, our answer would have remained the same. Because here, although we have written 20 to 25, but the tally mark comes only till 24. Over here, we take 20 also and 24 also. So even if you take inclusive, okay, doesn't matter. Now in inclusive, class length still remains 5 because 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if it is inclusive, 20 to 24, 5 class length. If it is exclusive, 20 to 25, then also 5 class length. What numbers are included in 20 to 25? 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24 only. This 25 is not included in exclusive. Although we write 20 to 25, but we do tally mark only from 20 to 24. Is this clear, all of you?